Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I achieve these beautiful braid out results using the main choice products. The products that I will be using today are listed right here, and they will also be listed in the description box below. So jumping right into this video, I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Right here is my leave-in conditioner. I will be applying this to a larger section of hair, and then after making sure that I have that leave-in conditioner covering all of my strands from roots all the way to the ends, I am going to section it off into smaller sections, and then I will begin to apply my gel. I am going to make sure that this gel is covering all of my strands from the roots all the way to the ends. And afterwards, I will make sure that this section of hair is smooth and free from tangles, and then I will begin doing my braid. Now I am going to put my hair into 3 even sections and begin to do my braid. And keep in mind, do not borrow hair while doing your braid. If you do borrow hair, that will cause your hair to tangle and to frizz during the takedown. So I'm going to braid my hair almost to the end. I think I'm going to leave about 1 inch of my hair free at the bottom, and I will begin to do a 2-strand twist, and this will just make things a whole lot easier during the takedown process once your hair is completely dry. And I will be repeating all of these steps for all of my hair, and then I will be back once I'm finished. It is now the next day and my hair is completely dry. I apply an oil to my fingers and then I began to pull my braids apart. And some of my braids didn't pull apart as easily, so as you can see on this one, I pulled it up as far as I could, and then I just began to take the braid down the opposite way that I braided my hair. And I did speed the video up, but I did take these braids down slowly and carefully. I tried to avoid as much frizz as possible. With braid outs, it takes a little bit more time to take the braids down than it would with a twist out. So I'm just going to continue taking down all of my braids, and then afterwards I will begin to separate my braids even more to hide these parts. Once I am finished separating all of my curls, I will begin to use my pick to lift my roots, and I am making sure to not disturb my curls while doing this. I am adding some volume to my hair as well as hiding some of those visible parts. Once I am finished fluffing and separating with my fingers as well as using the pick, the style will be complete. And my final result is defined, shiny, moisturized curls. I hope you liked my video, and if so, could you please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified for all of my future videos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below, and I hope to see you on my next video. Have a great day.